Yeah, on God. Yeah. You already know I'm with a little tiny bit. Little tiny. Yeah. If a little nigga talk, I'ma hit him with the blick. I said to there, go through the brick. He keep on dissing me, look how I go slide. You know that I'm clutching this Glock. This big ass Glock. And you know this bitch won't stop. And this switch and hitting you saw on God.
Let go. Little Ty just hop in the shirt, I'ma fuck your hoe. 556, I'ma knock at your door. He tried to run, I got shot in his back. He already know that I ride this. He already know that I up the. He tried to run, I got shot in his toe. That boy a bitch, he already know.
Yeah, let go. Nigga, I really just hold this scope. He can about this side of spin some more. Yeah, you already know I'm with Lil Ty. Lil Ty in the past for little nigga play. I'ma shoot him in the back with his back. Yeah. I'ma shoot him in the back with a K. I'ma have him, I'ma cry every day. Every day. 556, that go through your face. You know that I went twin Lil Ty. Yeah, free Lil Snow, yeah, he on the way. Free Lil Nick, yeah, he on the way. And free Lil Quay, the fucking fat way. And for the police, boy, that shit not safe. If you come in the wood, your ass go die. If you come on Lacey, your ass go die. Cause I keep that big ass fire. He tried to run, he got shot in the eye. You know I'ma make it, but I ain't gon' cry. Yeah, my daddy just raised the tall ass nigga. Yeah, I was just on this bitch with Lil Ty. He told me, Pat, play with the game, you get shot in your back.
Don't come around if you ain't finna kill. Still got a bullet for his brother Tay-Tay. Take him out the mat with that motherfucking father. He tried to run and got shot in his shit. We got a gun, we got the sticks. Glock 43, he know I be. Fuck nigga know eat either or die. Tattoo, I'm over the blick.
Yeah, you know I already know I'm with my boy Lil Ty. We keep the blick and we aim it at your eye. He tried to run his ass, got hit with this big ass fire. My nigga ain't gon' die. We keep this big ass fire. Me and Lil Ty, yeah, we serving pack. Yeah, that my gang, yeah, nigga that twin, yeah, he keep the motherfucking blick. He tried to run, he get hit with this blick. Just in two there, go through the brick. He keep on talking all that little shit. I'm with his bitch, she sucking my dick. Yeah. They say I can't hit, but I'm just rhyme.